Small business idea, liquid soap production. This small business focuses on producing and selling liquid soap for homes, schools, offices, and local markets. It requires low capital, simple equipment, and materials that are locally available. The demand for hygiene products is high and consistent, making it a profitable and sustainable idea. Estimated starting capital, 50,000 RWF, around $40 US. Here is how you can start with a small budget. Plastic bottles, 1L 20 PCS, 10,000 RWF. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLES, 5L 8,000 RWF. Texepon, 2L 5,000 RWF. Color and perfume, small bottles, 4,000 RWF. Caustic soda, 1 kg, 3,000 RWF. Labels and packaging, 20 PCS, 4,000 RWF. Bucket, stick and gloves, set, 5,000 RWF. Marketing, flyers, local ads, 5,000 RWF. Potential profit per month. If you sell 20 bottles per week at 1,000 RWF each, that is 80 bottles per month. 80 by 1,000 RWF equals 80,000. Expenses, you can make a profit of 25,000 to 30,000 RWF per month and grow from there. This business allows you to start small, to grow gradually, and reach new customers every week.